Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about spatial distribution of insolation at the Earth's surface. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. So the insolation received at the surface vary from about 320 watt per meter square in tropics to about 70 watts in poles. So we received more insolation at tropics rather than the poles. Maximum insolation is received over subtropical desert, where the cloudiness is less. Equator receives comparatively less insolations than tropics. So these are the important points to remember, which is most IMP. Generally, at the same latitude, the insolation is more over continent than over the ocean. So insolation is maximum at a continent over a ocean at the same latitude. In winter, middle and higher latitude receives less radiation than in summer. So if there is a winter, then it will be receive less radiation at a middle and higher latitude than in summer. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.